Hey yo, what is up everyone, it's SCT here and welcome to a brand new video here on the channel. Today we are working on the Rieju MRX again. I know you guys want to see this beast right here, the Rieju RR. But the thing with this is that, well, I'm putting it together and I have like a checklist right here for the things I'm doing with it. The mud guard, because it's kind of empty in here. So we need to put something so it doesn't spray all the dirt and stuff onto our engine. And also we need to have a seat, because the seat is not on there and the seat lock is broken. So my dad is helping me with that, and I still need to have the plate for the wheelhouse. So next video, this bike will hopefully be up and running, so we can do some test drives and stuff like that, try to figure out how the carburetor should be tuned and stuff like that. So that's hopefully in the next video. But for today we're working on my Rieju MRX, the Rieju YZ, and that's a box right there. Yeah, so we're working on the Rieju YZ today. As you guys can see right here, we don't have a front brake system. I bought an entire new brake system for this bike, so we're gonna put that on the bike right now. And then also my dad is helping with the engine, because there's something wrong with the gearbox I can't figure out myself. So me and my dad are gonna work on the engine. So hopefully within the next video or two we're gonna have this bike up and running as well. So today we're doing the front brake system, and yeah, so I'm gonna get into the real garage and we're gonna start working on it. Outside. Bro, it's legit snowing outside. Fuck. It's cold. And there you go, now we got the bike into this garage. I know it's really messy in here, but the garage we use it daily, and therefore it's kind of messy in here, but hopefully that's not the end of the world. But look at that, that looks pretty sick. Looks like a real dirt bike in here, just chilling. So yeah, so we're gonna have the front brake system. I'm just gonna grab all the parts for that, and we're gonna start working on that. So here's the new brake pump. It should work pretty good. It looks really big, to be honest. It looks really big. So hopefully this works. I'm pretty sure it will, but hoping it works. Then we got some brake line. Wait, just open this shit up as well. There you go, new brake line. We got one, and we got two of these. I don't know what they call it in English. It's banjo nipple in Swedish, so yeah, I figure out what they call it in English. And then we have a repair kit and also another. But the thing is, I bought like new one of these, like the one the bolt they put in that the brake root can go through, but there's already one on the brake caliper, I think, and there's already one on the brake master cylinder right here. So I think we're chilling on that part. It's good to have spare, I guess. So here's the new front brake caliper, and we got something in here already that's like making it so it doesn't get pushed together. We have the bolt right here, we have a fresh air nipple, we have yeah, I think there should be everything to put it on the bike. Gonna hook it up with this thing right here. No clue how this is going to work, but hopefully it works good. Then we got brake lines and also these things right here. So that should be everything we need. Maybe let's get a picture of this first and then get start working on it. Alright, so I think I got some pretty cool pictures with the camera. So now we're gonna build the brake system on this bike right now. So we have everything lined up right here. We got, still don't know what these things are called, but the transfers for this thing right here. So we're gonna screw them in to this brake line. We're gonna put the front brake caliper, but we just need something that we can screw these screws with. And then we also need to put this on. This is the only thing I'm like kind of skeptic about, because like, okay, maybe if we put it right there, yeah, sure, it will work. It just looks big, but yeah, I think it works. It's just that it has this like little like, yeah, I'm sure it works. I'm sure it works. So I feel like we start off with this right here and put this together. Okay, so this is super easy right here. all you need to do is just screw them into the end, and both are the same, so I'm just gonna screw them into here and see how it works. I've done this once before when I built the stump brake for my Derby Senda. Super easy. So now we're gonna put on, I think we're gonna start with the master brake cylinder. It's pretty easy. I think it's 2/8. You know what the best tool ever is? This right here. It makes it like a normal screwdriver. For like sockets, it's the best. So you can just easily unscrew this. There you go, one. And let's get the other one. I wish I could show you guys how sketchy my camera is sitting right now. It's probably the sketchiest place you can ever put the camera, but or whatever. Gas wire, we need to move that around later. Just put it like this for right now and then fix it. The gas wire. I know you guys can't see shit, but okay, there you go. It's on there. Sits really weird right now. We can angle it up, but first we need to move this. First, well, put together an entire brake system. Maybe let's do this first, so we'll get it out of the way. It's just 2 Allen keys. It's gonna be really easy. So let's just grab some Allen keys and get this done. Go. And as you guys can see right now, we got the Domino quick action throttle like chilling right there. Really snappy. The line runs pretty straight underneath, and then we got the brake lever that's just sitting perfectly because if we pull it in, don't pull it too much when you don't have any brake fluid in there because it's not lubricated, and you need to have it lubricated because you can blow some seals or something like that. I don't exactly remember, but don't pull your lever when you don't have fluid in here, because your seals are not like greased and stuff. I don't know exactly how it works, but that's what I heard. And also we're changing up the grips today to some fresh blue Domino grips I had laying around forever. But yeah, this is gonna be perfect. You can see right here, it's gonna go in perfectly, and it actually feels really nice. Like, it looked kind of weird though with this, but I guess I will get used to it. So now we're gonna put on the front brake caliper, and then we're gonna run the line. So I still don't know. Alright guys, so now I figured out right here, talk to my dad. So this is called Torx, I guess. So we got one right here. It's gonna fit perfectly on this ratchet. Usually you should have the same type of screw for everything on a piece. But I'm gonna use 2 different ones because I don't have any of these normal bolts / screws in this length, and then I don't have any one of these Torx in this length. So instead of ordering new screws and stuff, I'm just gonna run with this because I think it still looks good because they both are chromed or polished or whatever you want to say. So I think it's gonna turn out good anyways. And for everybody saying that I should get the fork guards, stop saying it. I know I should. I know it would look really good on this bike. It's just that I don't have any money left to buy them. And like, oh, you bought brakes? Yeah, because I need brakes. So yeah, it would be really cool fork guards. I'm here some blue fork guards, but sadly I don't have the money to buy that. So before I bought that brake caliper, I bought 2 sets of Malossi sport brake pads. Why not just put them in there so I know that they're the same brake pads rear and front, and they are good quality because Malossi is good quality. So let's just change them out to some Malossi brake pads because I can, because I have them, so I might as well use them. There you go. There you go. We got both of these things out. I don't exactly know what they're called. Now I'm gonna change out the brake pads. So here is the old ones, or the new ones that were in there, And this is the ones we're gonna put in there. Almost looks pretty much the same. But yes, we're just gonna use this. Wait, these are actually the same. Wait. I know they look almost the same, but I just want to put on the Malossi ones just because more official. And I know they work. I've never used these ones. I'm not saying that they won't work. I'm just saying that I want to use the Malossi ones when I've actually like bought them. So, but now I only have 3 brake pads. Where's the 4th? Oh, it's chilling over here. So now we're just gonna put in the new brake pads, the Malossi, made in Italy. So just put them like this, squeeze them together, and then push it in. There you go. One is through, and now the other one. There you go. Now I got some Malossi brake pads in here. Oh shit. So here's some washers with some oil seals in them. You can also use copper washers, but we'll just use the ones that was included right now because it's good. And one underneath and one above is how we roll. And then screw this thing into place. Gonna run this all the way up. Hopefully it works. Like yes, this is gonna be perfect. I know you guys can barely see right now, but do the same procedure, one washer on one side and the other one on the other side, and then we're gonna try to screw it into here. There you go, that should be tight. Just chilling right there. We can push this number pad in a bit more later. You can zip tie it to the fork. There you go, we got a little zip tie right there. It goes all the way up. We're going to put this number pad closer to here sometime in the future. Probably not in this video, maybe in this video, I don't know. But other than that, just get it super close up there so it looks clean. We're gonna air the brake, but I don't want to do it because if you spill any brake fluid, it will potentially destroy your paint. Most likely destroy your paint, so you don't want to do that. So I'm gonna wait for my dad to get home to help me out with that. But anyways, that looks super sick, and we got the $100 front brake system on there. Alright guys, so sadly that's all we had time for today, because I need to edit this video and get it uploaded today, Friday, so you guys can see it in today's video. So therefore I'm gonna cut it today, but hopefully the next video, the next video is gonna be a Q&A, but the video after that is hopefully gonna be either test riding this or test riding the Rieju RR. I'm not really too sure, but it's gonna be on Tuesday, so stick around for that. That's gonna be awesome. Like, I'm super excited to take this thing for a test ride. It's been way too long, and we need to get the engine together, but it's Friday now, and on Tuesday the video goes up, so hopefully sometime in between we got one of the bikes to a running state. So I'm super excited to get one of my bikes up and running for a video. So if you guys are as well and want to see that video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss that video. But until next time, stay awesome, be positive. It's been West and T, and I'm out. Peace.